Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd, and this is my PM recap for the Euro-US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we did end up making that nice move to the upside that I was talking about this morning. Definitely not a bad trade. Now, we had a pretty significant engulfing move to the downside at a fib level, but it hasn't broken structure and it hasn't made a lower high, so we should potentially still be bullish. We cannot rule out the possibility on the daily time frame of a bigger push down because yesterday's daily candle was engulfing down. So we cannot rule out the possibility of this making like a double top at a fib level, breaking structure and making a much bigger move to the downside. Because of the fact that, like I said this morning, that this over here could be a regular flat, I'm still counting on the fact that it may not break structure down, but it may continue to make higher highs, higher lows. And I would definitely be trading it assuming that it is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, at least until it tells us otherwise by like breaking structure to the downside at a fib level or making a very significant lower high near a fib level. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.